Congratulations.
We simply have to focus on this man. The big news is he's been deemed fit enough to start, and we're live next on EA TV. Well, I must say it's always a joy to be in this particular city, Vancouver, and this particular venue, BC Place. My name is Derek Ray, and I'm joined for commentary by Lee Dixon. And it's all about action from MLS. It's the Vancouver Whitecaps, and they face Real Salt Lake.
Yeah, thank you, Derek. Always my favourite time of the week, spending time with you at games. We should be in for a belter here with these two.
It's going. Lucas Cavallini. And the keeper was up to the task. Well, a chance here perhaps to invigorate their aerial targets. Fruitful looking attack. Real danger. Teammate available. Must take the lead here. Oh, he's been denied. And they remain locked together.
Well, the goalkeeper has earned his corner there. A fabulous save.
A decisive clearance it was. Albert Rusnak. Firing it towards goal. Not the easiest of situations for the keeper. Well, he's given a corner, the referee.
Well, he's disappointed with the fact they haven't taken the lead, but he'd be pleased with the way...
Rusnak. He could pick out a teammate. Will it lead to the goal that puts them ahead? A goal! He's dispatched it, much to the sheer delight of the fans.
Well, here's the replay, and that passing and movement is pure quality. But having said that, the amount of time and space he's got is a joke. Terrible defending.
Well, the goal again, albeit from a different angle.
Well, he's delighted, isn't he? We can see that. Calm is needed now just to consolidate this lead. Cool heads.
Can they trouble the opposition this time? So the whistle then. We're at the halfway stage in this match. Well, this man will get most of the plaudits for his contribution up to this point, Lee.
Well, his manager will be delighted with him. He's been spot on in this game, hasn't he? Energy, imagine...
Promising looking ball. It's in. They're looking really relaxed and confident and not giving the opposition much of a look in.
Well, here's the replay. Super fast counter-attack football at his best. And still with lots to do, he unleashes a very powerful effort. Gave the keeper little chance. Lovely goal that was.
Just knocking it around, looking to carve out a chance. It might be. There it is! The goals keep coming. No stopping them today.
Well, here's the replay, and in many ways it doesn't do it justice how patient they were in the build-up. And because he's on his own, he collects himself and he finishes it perfectly past the keeper.
Piece of defending. Darlene. Can they convert? In it goes! Such a complete performance. 4 in front now.
Well, let's see the replay and look at the pace at which the counter-attack happens. And he chooses to use power in the finish. Not much chance for the keeper when it's hit that hard. Well, enjoy the good days as a coach. It can be a roller coaster ride, I can tell you that.
Dangerous looking attack. And that is that. The referee blows his whistle for full time, and it's a victory for the visitors, Lee.
Well, it must be a dream as a striker to play in this team. They create for fun and have a lovely attacking style about them. Clinical finishing today as well.
Well, I think it's accurate to say, Lee, that this man was the light bringer for his side.
Well, he played well, scored a goal. What a good performance from him.